Ready? Hi, it's Diane from Natureworks, and I'm here with Tony from Wakefield. And this is a product that's new for us this year at Natureworks, and we're going to get it again for next year. And I just want to say thanks for creating such a great product and have Tony tell us about it. So over here on the table, this is what we do at trade shows. I learned from Nancy the best, I like to touch all the products. I can't buy something sight unseen. So we'll have this just like this in our store for you too. But, when you feel this compost, you just know it feels good. So, all right, Tony, tell us why this is such good stuff.
No, it's great. I'm really glad you asked. I'm Tony from Wakefield, and you may not have heard about biochar. So let me explain a little bit about how it's made and what it is. So biochar is sustainably manufactured and organic soil conditioner. It's not a fertilizer. What we do is we take waste wood. We're working with major corporations, paper manufacturers, and handling their wood waste. Material that would have gone to an environmental landfill to decompose. We actually make sure it is pyrolyzed into a high carbon material. Pyrolyzed material is when it's cooked at 550 degrees Celsius in a chamber with no oxygen. When there's no oxygen, there's no combustion, there's no flame. And so that carbon of the wood stays intact. So we have about 80% carbon material, low ash, that is highly porous. The porosity in biochar, like if you look at it, in these granules, a tablespoon of biochar has the surface area of a soccer field. It is incredibly porous at a microscopic level. All right, so what we're doing, we've converted this waste wood material into a very productive soil conditioner with such porosity that it allows for water and nitrogen and microbes to thrive inside the pores of that char. So when you put that in your soil, you're creating a healthy ecosystem. And that's really the benefit. That year over year, that biochar is going to be there. It does not decompose. And so what you're seeing is that initial application of biochar is really beneficial, not just that season, but beyond.
Cool. So I've used biochar in my vegetable gardens, and my vegetable gardens are doing fantastic. So how much biochar would you use on top of a garden?
Right, so if you just have the bag of biochar, it's going to be, essentially it's 10% of the soil volume for biochar. Now we've created the compost with biochar to make it really simple. And the compost is a wood-based compost as well. It's all wood. It is also clean. It's pre-consumer wood. That means we're not taking wood that's pallet wood or other, it's a little loud in here. We're not taking pallet wood or yard waste. We're composting and pyrolyzing the wood that is clean and consistent for your garden. All right, so our wood-based compost is OMRI listed. We blended 80% compost with 20% biochar and add mycorrhiza to it to make sure it's just super simple. You're gonna get, we promise, master gardener results, lazy gardener effort. This is simple. We want to keep it simple. So you have our compost blend that's ready to go, or if you have a soil blend that you want to mix biochar in, you have that biochar bag, just pure biochar.
So come on to Natureworks. We have this right now. We will have it again next spring. So we really like the product and we're excited about it. And thanks very much. Hopefully you guys can hear that video. That was such good information. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye.